Do you want to learn this spin? Let's start small with quarter and half spins. We'll practice quarter and half spins like we did in previous drill. But today we'll practice spinning on the opposite leg. We'll spin on the left to the right and on the right to the left. Are you ready? Let's practice. We'll start quarter spins, 3 twists and a spin. On the left to the right. Twist, twist, twist to the right. Yes, on the left. Twist, twist, twist to the right. Again. Twist, twist, twist to the right. Spinning on the left. Twist, twist, twist to the right. Now one twist and to the right. Yeah. Twist to the right. Feel the muscles. Twist to the right. Twist to the right. Again. Twist and spin. Twist. Feel the muscles and spin. You can end the head and hand. Twist and hand. Great work. Don't forget to smile. And now faster with 3 twists. On the left. Let's go. Twist, twist, twist and spin. Twist, twist, twist to the right. Twist, twist, twist to the right. Spinning on the left. Twist, twist, twist to the right. Twist, twist, twist and spin. Twist, twist, twist and spin. Twist, 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 spin. Twist, twist, twist and spin. You can end the head. Twist, twist, twist and 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 head. Amazing work. And now we'll spin to the left on the right. Let's go. 3 twists. Twist, twist, twist to the left. Again. Twist, twist, twist to the left. On the right. Yeah. Twist, twist, twist. And again to the left on the balls of the feet. Again. Twist, twist, twist. And spin. Now one twist and spin. Twist and spin. Twist and spin. Yes, on the right. Twist and spin. Now with the head. Twist and head. Yeah. Twist and head. Twist and head. Twist and head. Yeah. Great work. Don't forget to smile. And now faster with 3 twists. Let's go. Twist, twist, twist and spin. Twist, twist, twist and spin. Twist, twist, twist and spin. Twist, twist, twist to the left. 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 You can add your head. Twist and head. Twist, twist, twist and head. Amazing work. Practice makes progress. And now on the left to the right, half spins. Are you ready? Let's go. 3 twists and we start slow again. Let's go. Twist, twist, twist and half spin to the right. Yes. Twist, twist, twist and half spin. Focus on the muscles. Twist, twist, twist and to the right. Yeah, again. Twist, twist, doing great. Twist and half spin. Yeah. Twist, twist, look to the back and spin. Again. Twist, twist, look to the back again and half spin. Amazing work. And now the same thing, but faster. On the left to the right. Are you ready? Let's go. Twist, twist, twist and spin. Twist, twist, twist to the right. Twist, twist, twist to the right. Twist, twist, twist to the right. And now twist, twist, look to the back and spin. Again, twist, twist, look to the back and spin. Amazing. And now the same, but on the right and to the left. Are you ready? 3 twists. Slow. Twist, 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 and spin. Twist, 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 and spin. Yeah, feel the muscles. Twist, feel the stretch. Twist, and spin. Again. Twist, twist, twist. Spin. Now twist, twist, look to the back, yeah, and spin. Last time, twist, twist, and look to the back and spin. Amazing work. And now faster. Again, on the right to the left. Are you ready? Let's go. Twist, 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 and spin. 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 Twist, twist, and spin. Twist, twist, and spin. Yeah. And don't forget to smile. And now we'll do quarter half, quarter half. On the left to the right. Are you ready? Let's go. Starting slow. Twist and quarter. Twist and half. Twist and quarter. Twist and half. Again. Twist and quarter. Twist and half. Twist and with the hand. And now look to the back and half. Again. Twist and quarter with the hand and twist to the back and half. Twist and quarter and twist to the back and half. Turn around. Now we'll do it faster. And still on the left to the right. Let's go. Twist, quarter, twist, half, twist, quarter, twist, half, twist, quarter, twist, half, twist, quarter, look to the back and half, twist, quarter, look to the back and half, twist, quarter, look to the back and half. Turn around. Yes, you're doing great. And now on the right to the left. Let's go. Twist, quarter, twist and half. Yeah. Twist and quarter and twist and half. Now with the head. Twist and hand and look to the back and half. Again with the right. Twist and quarter. Now look to the back and half. Again with the head. Twist and quarter. Look to the back and half. Again. Twist and quarter and look to the back and half. You can turn around. And now faster. Again on the right to the left. Let's go. Twist, quarter, twist, half, twist, quarter, twist, half, twist, quarter, twist, half, twist, quarter, twist to the back and half, twist, quarter, twist to the back and half, twist and quarter, twist and half. Amazing work. Thank you for joining me. And don't miss the master tip at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation and spins. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill.
So keep practicing and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story.
Try to do this exercise with bent knees as well as straight knees.